Hi students, how are you all? I think all are safe. Okay students, welcome to 21-22 academic year. That means now you are all 9th standard. Okay, from today onwards, we are started 9th standard science bridge course classes. In bridge course classes, what you are learning in 7th and 8th standard science subject. So first recall all those things. For example, in biology, structure of cell and microorganisms, life process, okay, and agricultural. In chemistry also you have studied structure of atoms, metals and non-metals, synthetic materials, okay. These things links to 9th standard science subject. Okay students, today shall we recall cell structure and function? Okay, right. Okay students, let us see what is cell. Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organisms. And who discovered cell? Yes, cells were discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Okay, so he observed slices of cork under the microscope. So microscope, he self-designed microscope. Okay, so cork is a part of the bark of a tree. It is the outer protective layer of the trunk. What did he do with the coat? He took thin slices of that and observed them under a microscope. He noticed portions, partitions, boxes or compartments in the cork slices. These boxes appeared like a honeycomb. Then he also noticed that one box was separated from the other by a row or partition. Okay, so who coined the term cell for each box? Why cell in Latin? So cell means small room. So did he notice Hooke also that the compartments were empty and the cells of that what dead without any content? Okay, a very living thing may be different from one another, but it is made up of these separate tiny units that is called cell. Okay students, all of you understood what is the meaning of cell and who discovered the cell and how Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Let us see structure of cell and its function. Okay, cell structure. Okay students, so cells are the smallest living units of an organisms. So these all are cells. All cells have three things in common. So no matter what type of cells, all cells have cell membrane which separates the inside the cell from its environment. Then next one, cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid. And this is the DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. It is present in the nucleus. There are two broad categories of cells. Okay, so the first category is eukaryotic cell. So that means they have organelles, which includes the nucleus and other special parts. So eukaryotic cells are more advanced complex cells. So it is found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cells. That means they do not have a nucleus or membrane, enclosed genetic materials. They do have genetic material, but it's not contained within a nucleus. So prokaryotic cells are always one cell That means unicellular organisms such as bacteria, blue-green algae, etc. Okay, see, what are organelles? So organelles means little organ. So organelles are the specialized parts of a cell that have unique jobs to perform. So let's start with the nucleus. It controls center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. DNA dictates what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it. As chromatin, that anglet, spread out from a DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. See the nuclear membrane? When a cell is ready to divide, DNA condenses into structures that is known as chromosomes. See the chromosomes? Yes. Next, the nucleus also contains a nucleolus. This is the nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made. See the ribosomes? After ribosomes leave the nucleus, they will have the important job of synthesized, that is proteins. Outside the nucleus, the ribosomes and the rest of the organelles. It floats around in cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance. Ribosomes may wander freely within the cytoplasm. It is attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. It is also one type of organelles. Okay. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes and smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosomes. The endoplasmic reticulum, the main function is the membrane enclosed passageway for transporting materials such as the proteins synthesized by ribosomes, proteins and other materials emerge from the endoplasmic reticulum in small vesicles. Okay. Next one, Golgi apparatus. Okay, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. It receives some protein synthesized and is moved through the Golgi body. They are customized into forms that these cells can use. The Golgi body does this by folding the proteins into usable form or adding other materials into them, that is lipid or carbohydrates. Next one, vacuoles. These are sac-like structure that store different materials. Here in this plant cell, the central vacuole stores water. Going back to the animal cell, you will see an organelle called a lysosome. So lysosomes are the garbage collectors that take in damaged or worn out cell parts. They are filled with enzymes that break down the cellular bodies. Next one is mitochondria. It is powerhouse of the cell, both in animals and plant cells. During a process called cellular respiration, the mitochondria make ATP molecules that provides the energy for all the cells' activities. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. Okay. So cell also maintains its shape through a cytoskeleton. It is also one part of the cell. The cytoskeleton includes the thread-like structure which are made up of protein the microtubules, which are thin hollow tubes. Okay, next one, some organisms such as plants that are photoautotrophic, in that it captures sunlight for energy. Yes, that is known as chloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It's green because it has a green pigment that is called chlorophyll. Plant cells also have a cell wall outside of their cell membranes that shape, support and protect the plant cell. Animal cells never have a cell wall. Okay students, I hope all are understood cell structure and its function. Okay students, next class I will come with new topic, an interesting topic and colorful topic with videos. Okay, thank you.